guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have the update for the Panners pan for you. This was started by Elisabeth, who is Cookie Pans on Instagram, of course. I think a lot of you guys will know her by now. And the idea of this project is to have people, like other panners, be prompts for this project, and you can roll in like new panners every time. Everybody's kind of doing this in a different way. I've decided to go with 5 because I'm doing plenty of other projects and I want to make sure I have something to show you guys most of the time. So yeah, let's take a look at how I've been doing. First off, Paula from A Beauty Guru made me do it, or Paula if we say it the English way. Paula is the Dutch pronunciation. For her, I'm working on this purplish shade 1985 in the Vice palette, and I have that on my lid today. And as much as I said I was hopefully going to be using this more because I finished off the purple in my Pan palette, I've been playing around with so many other things, and for some reason I keep forgetting this one because it is like not in one of my eyeshadow heavy projects. I keep forgetting that I have an eyeshadow in this project half of the time. So yeah, I think I used it once. I'm hoping to really use it a little bit more in the upcoming months. Yeah, let's see if I can actually manage to do that. Then for Joy from Joyful Beauty, who is very much into nail polish, I decided to roll in a nail polish, of course. This is Zoya Aurora, and I did use it enough to make a new marking this time around. It's not like a lot of progress, but I'm also doing my project polish, so I'm kind of using this on the side every now and then. And it's getting a little bit smaller towards the bottom, so let's see if that will make a difference. I'm wearing it today, and it just is a really nice like purple base with a holographic glitter in it, and it's really, really nice to look at, especially now that it's getting a little bit sunnier sometimes. Like when the sun hits it, it just looks really, really pretty. So yeah, I'm still really, really liking using this. It's gonna move slowly but surely. We'll get there at some point. Then for Elisabeth herself, I roll in this Gosh On Stage Cool Lip Jam in 101, and this was in our 2020 Vision project, which was also created by her, so that's why I decided to roll that one in. And I've made some progress again. Not a whole lot, but I'm kind of layering it on top of things. Especially I had a red that I was trying to use 10 times in one of my other projects, and that sometimes was a little bit too warm tone for what I was putting on my eyes, so then layering this blue lip gloss on top of it worked really well to kind of make it a little bit more cool toned and work better with what was on my eyes. And right now as well, I put it on top of the lip lacquer from Rimmel, the pink one that I'm working on in, which project is it? In the Happy Blue Year project. And then it's kind of nice to put this on top and make it a bit more glossy and get some use out of this one. So visible progress, that's what we're going for. It's of course, it's gonna get a little bit thicker and wider towards, further towards the bottom. Right now we're here, so it's still a little bit smaller. It's still gonna get thicker, so I need to make sure to actually keep using this regularly, but I've used it a good few times over the last month, so I'm happy with that. Then this product I'm using pretty much every time I'm wearing makeup. This is for Laura from Laura Force, and this is a highlighter, and she seems to eat highlighters at times. She really, really likes wearing highlighters, so she goes through them fairly quickly. I don't go through them that quickly. I'm hoping to finish this one up at some point, but like I'm just slowly but surely like working my way kind of around here. And like, because I use it every single day, I don't see the pan expanding, but every time I look at the comparison pictures, I do see a difference. It's still gonna take me the biggest part of this year probably to get through it, but hopefully it will be done by the end of this year. And yeah, I'm using it all the time, and I have it on my cheekbones right now as well. So I really like it, so I don't mind it being in here for a little bit longer. And then of course a Naked palette, Amber F. And in here I'm working on the shade Virgin, and there really isn't that much left anymore, as you can see. Yeah, I was kind of hoping to actually properly hit side pan over here, which I didn't do. Again, it was a shorter month, February. Like those couple of days, they do make a difference. Yeah, so I'm really hoping that by the next update I actually will be able to finish this one off, which it will also mean I can move on to my Panda palette shade that I would use as a brow bone highlight. So that would be really nice. But yeah, I've made probably some nice progress again. Again, I use this every single day, so I do not see the progress as clearly as like when I actually look at the comparison pictures. So hoping this one will be done by next time, and that will be my first shade in this palette done, which I've had it for a while, so it's going to be nice to actually see it being used a little bit more. And over the last year and this year I've actually started hitting pan in a few shades, which has been really nice to see actually. And that is it. So like I said, my goal mainly is going to be in trying to use this one up, and I definitely want to make sure I use that purple Paula shade a little bit more than once. That would be nice. Yeah, thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye.